Hi, it's Lindsay with Nevermore Creations, and I am so excited to have you back here on my channel. If you're new, then please subscribe and join because I would love to have you get notified for all my videos. I do several a week. Paper crafting junk journals. I help support small businesses. We just have a lot of fun on here. Anyway, so today is a video for Small Business September, and that's why the lighting is weird. This light kicked off. Hold on. My boys unplug my lights in between filming sometimes. I was like, why is this so dark? So much better. Anyway, I have a kit to share with you today and an Etsy shop to share with you today. This Etsy shop is called Magnolia Seed, and beautiful, oh my word, you guys. She is known for her boho beads, and she sent me one complimentary. I am so excited. I didn't know I was getting one. She sent it as a thank you. I'll have the link to her shop below. You definitely want to purchase one of her boho beads. They are absolutely incredible. So chunky and beautiful, and all the little beads around them are just, so pretty. I mean, so detailed. So this is definitely going to go in my personal junk journal because it is so special. I love it. And she's created a coupon code for all of you for the rest of September, Nevermore 15. You get 15% off her shop. This, what I'm showing you here, is one of her tea-themed junk journal kits. And it has everything you need to make. This is the deluxe version here, but she also has a simpler version that's a little cheaper. She may or may not have any of these left in her shop. She only put a few together, but this is an idea of her aesthetic and what she sells. So please check out her shop. And as always, during Small Business September, if you purchase from her and then you want to come over to my shop and make a purchase, let me know in the notes section, and I will be sure to send you a little free goodie. So yeah, anyway, I'm really excited to share this shop with you. She is also newly on my design team, and so I can't wait to see what she comes up with. So here we go. I have not opened any of this yet, and I want to start with what I think. Okay, so we have deluxe kit add-on. So here is like a greeting card, and it says for a special grandmother. But you could use this. There's an envelope you can use, and then it looks like this tea part can come off, or you can cut it out if you don't want to make like a grandmother themed journal. There's beautiful teapots, not teapots, teacups. And then let's see, what do we have here? Some white cardstock and fabric. So just examples of what would be in a kit: papers and doilies and cardstocks. Let's see, and then looks like wallpaper, and then just a whole variety of different papers to create your journals with. Make sure you check out the descriptions, the description box for which one you're buying, to see exactly what comes with it, the one you're getting, whether it's deluxe or not. But beautiful, beautiful images and wallpapers and everything to create an incredible journal. So that's like the basics. I assume this is your cover, and then you can cover that if you'd like with this fabric, and then put these teacups on the front, use the papers for the inside, and then I'm pretty sure this is all the things you would use to decorate. Looks like we have some twine in here. A little button card and some buttons. So you could sew the signature in with the twine. This looks like everything you need to make a tassel, because there's some beads and clips and eyelets and a whole bunch of laces and trims. Her color, I am really impressed with her color scheme. It is perfect. It is perfectly put together. The colors are amazingly perfect. And then, of course, her packaging. Yeah, I don't think anybody can do a better job than her with her packaging. It's so incredible. All right, and then, oh, the kit comes with a little boho bead. As you see, I hadn't opened this yet. Comes with a little boho bead, and it is so pretty. How neat is that? So now I have two. And then there's little dangles, things like that. Little fabric pieces, all sorts of different fabric pieces for layering. Looks like we have some sequins and washi tape and a tag in there. Let's just take it out so we can see it a little bit better. It's like seeing through a glass darkly looking through these. So yep, there's a sequin mix. You can make really pretty shaker with that using this. You could put the, okay, so what I would do, I'm not sure, I think she has a video on it on her YouTube channel, but I would put that in there, and then I would put in the sequins and stitch it closed and make a shaker pocket. Or you could use the washi tape to close it if you do not have a sewing machine. I wish I had time to put this entire journal together for you guys because it is so pretty, but unfortunately I do not. I'm working double time trying to get all my orders out. So I'm just talking through it here. We have wallpaper circles. These are also incredible to make tabs out of if you fold them in half and staple or sew them on the edge of the pages. It makes it absolutely beautiful. And she made some envelopes out of doilies, heart doilies. So those are beautiful. And like I've said before in some of my other videos, if you don't have time, like I don't have time, to put together her journal, you can always buy these kits and just kind of part them out, put them with your supplies, and use them in other journals. Little tea bags, how cute are those? Little tags, wax paper, beautiful, so delicate. All right, and then have I missed anything? I don't think so. So this is one of her kits. You definitely need to buy one of her boho beads. You just need to have them because, let's pull this one out. She knows how to present something. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is. That pink and that clear. Oh, so pretty. So definitely use that coupon code. Buy one of her boho beads. Buy one of her journal kits if there's any left. And then write in the description box or the comment section below what you purchased and what you liked about her kit. So thank you for sharing this kit with me. I was just so honored that you wanted to send me one. And I'm going to have a hard time using these to sell. I'm probably going to end up with them on my own journals because they're so incredible. I can't wait to show you guys the flip through of my personal junk journal. It is almost done. It is huge. It is fat. And I put all like little special things from the things you guys send me into this journal. So it is really just a collection of things from the people who love me and people I love. So definitely incredible. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And thank you for supporting Small Business September. I've had so far about 50 purchases. I don't want to say 50 times people have told me, but 50 different purchases from various shops from people in the group so far. And I know that there's been many more that I haven't gotten or people haven't told me or that I've accidentally missed. So I think that's really amazing that as a group, we've been able to support all of these small shops, and we still have half the month left. So let's keep at it. So exciting to keep sharing all this with you. Have a lovely day.